Hello everyone, today we are going to make a braised pork with dry vegetables. Buy these dry vegetables, soak in the water, then squeeze the water. Cut some pork belly into small cubes. You can easy to absorb the flavor. Stir-fried garlic with pork. Stir it until fragrant. Add a 2 spoons of light soy sauce. Add 1 lid of the cooking wine. Half spoon of salt. 1 spoon of 5 spice powder. Mix it well. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Add 1 cup of water. Boil for 30 minutes. Add rock sugar or just sugar. Add the radish and the carrot, or your favorite vegetables. I share videos every day. Please subscribe. Add the washed dry vegetables. Boil for another 20 minutes. Boil the pork on low heat. Let the dry vegetables flavor slowly go into the pork. Please leave me some feedback comments how you cook pork. When the soup becomes thicker, it's ready. Have you tried cooking pork this way before? Cooking this way, the braised pork with dry vegetables is very fragrant and delicious. Please support me, give me some comments and feedbacks about my videos. Really appreciate. I will continue to share more cooking videos with you.